Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. That's right. This is crazy. I'm giving an example on the Utah Jazz. That does not happen every day, but you folks are privileged to this. The question I have for you is, how much would you be willing to pay to watch the Utah Jazz play basketball? So if I were to ask how many of you would be willing to spend $200, none of you would say yes. So the quantity would be 0. But as we lower that price, as we lower it maybe to $150, well, maybe not just you, but everybody in all of Utah, we might be able to get 5,000 fans at a game for $150 a pop. But if you're to sell tickets then for $100, you might be able to sell 10,000. And you keep lowering, $50, you might be able to get 15,000. And if you go away free tickets, you'd be able to sell every ticket in the place, which might be about 20,000 tickets. So just by running an experiment, changing the ticket price, see how many tickets we can sell, by asking fans, we can then create these dots. And all we have to do then is to get a line that connects the dots. And this line is called, well, let's do it so we can write. This is called the demand curve. So the demand curve just represents the consumer's willingness to pay to buy the product. And what's really cool about the demand curve is it will always be downward sloping, because the law of demand says that if the price, so here the price is 100 and the quantity was 10,000, if the price goes down, then the quantity goes up. And vice versa, if the price goes down, quantity goes, or if the price goes up, quantity will go down. So law of demand says price goes up, then quantity will go down. If price goes down, quantity will go up. And that's the law of demand. So there you have a demand curve and how to calculate a demand curve. All right? You simply have to change the prices and see how much can be sold. You can run an experiment. You can use data to do this. Lots of different ways to calculate a demand curve. But there you have a demand curve. I hope that makes you happy.